Nalor Kapatisi TV.
Ha kasisdang jong ka Cherry Blossom Festival kata ha ka khatsaw tarik unai wieng ara jarapsan on one Pynlynguh kinongroi bapaw ha ka Fatehi bakanthop yo Jason Derilo bat ka kanhun jong ki the script Nalor ka jingshat pen khi singkai jong ka nongshat bapaw ka Norah Fatehi ha kasiba arpad kata ka khatsan tarik unai wieng ara jarapsan on one Pynlynguh sa udj ubapaw ha ka Fatehi uba nakari Amerika ubala yoru ya ka Grammy Award kata udj Diplo ya ka baka kerteng basisha jong u kadai u Thomas Wesley Pence ka Cherry Blossom Festival kan long ha JN Stadium Hapulo ya ka tiket na ka benta kasiba ar laban yo na ka rockskitickets.com.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.